Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the body and voice. Sip 250-500 ml of room temperature water about 30 minutes before speaking so your vocal folds stay lubricated. Once done, start a 3-5-minute warm-up. Gentle lip trills, humming up and down a comfortable range, and gentle sirens. These increase blood flow and coordination. Make sure your posture is upright with relaxed shoulders and a dropped jaw. That alignment reduces strain and gives you better breath support right away. Now focus on breath and how you start sounds. Breathe into your diaphragm. Inhale low for 3-4 seconds and exhale steadily for 4-6 to create even airflow. Once you have steady air, practice soft onsets. Initiate vowels gently rather than yanking with a hard throat stop. This prevents collision of the folds that causes cracks. Make sure to speak in your comfortable mid-range instead of leaping to high notes. Gradual pitch changes maintain closure control and reduce unexpected breaks. Finish by reinforcing good habits and knowing how to fix cracks when they happen. Practice short daily drills, 5-10 minutes of trills, slides, and connected phrases to build muscle memory and stability. If you crack mid-sentence, pause, hum to reset your vocal folds, re-establish breath support, and restart at a slightly lower pitch by 1 to 2 semitones. That usually stops the cycle. If cracks persist for more than 2 weeks or cause pain, seek a speech therapist or ENT for assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.